guys, today in this video I want to teach you how to do plantain wine. In my table here you can see here is my plantain that I want to use to do the wine with, and here is a clean water from the tap as usual, and here is a bowl with water. Let's start with the process. First of all, you move your plantain, you peel them. You peel them like this. You add them into the clean water for washing. Take your time. Peel them one after the other. Yeah. Just as you see again, this kind of wine is very medicinal, very healthy because no chemical involved. It's just natural banana. No flavor, no any preservative attached to it. I know this banana wine, a lot of people will like it tasting, and let me tell you, it's very young. It's very interesting, highly medicinal. So this is our first process. You peel all your banana into a clean water like this. We're not going to be using this way. I'm going to take it to the trash. This is exactly what we want. You're gonna wash them. You wash them and you bring your clean water and then you trash them into it. Trash it one by one. Trash it into the clean water. As you're washing it, you trash them in. Just as you see me doing, trash them into the water. Trash them. Yeah. Trash them. Wow. And this is how you can make your banana wine. At this stage, what you can do here, nothing. You add no chemical to this, nothing to add into it, just to find a cover, airtight, and you cover this and keep it to ferment for 3 good days. 3 good days. Has to be fermented for 3 good days. So for now, we're going to keep this for 3 days. Okay guys, today you can see this is our culture. It has fermented for 3 days and we are going to filter it now. First of all, this is our sieve. Cover this. We have a bowl. You can look for a bowl and then you put your sieve on it like this. Then let's unveil our banana wine. Wow. Let's unveil our banana wine. Wow. You can see it's our banana wine. Okay, now we'll pour it into the sieve like this. And then we can set it like this. Want to bring out the whole juice from the shaft, so you have to apply first here. Press this to bring out the whole juice out. Okay, then you now take this one and then here is my jar, and I want to like to pour. Wow, this can be yummy. Like seriously, this can be yummy. The aroma itself is wow. I don't accept this one. Wait, I'm coming. Okay, I want to take a sip of it, and I mean, wow. Now I'm gonna drop this. I gotcha. The aroma is interesting. Wow. It's amazing. Guys, this is amazing. The taste is supernatural. That's good. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and hit that notification icon so you don't miss any of my better info like this again. Thanks for your time.